Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to manage the default engine on iPhone. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to manage the default engine on iPhone. Maybe because you want to change the default engine because you think the existing one, which is the default one, isn't doing very well and you want to add a new one of your choice. Or it could be any other reason for you to change the default engine of iPhone. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So to change the default engine, we have to go to the browser. So you can choose any browser of your choice. You can choose Bing, Safari or whatever. Right now I'm choosing Google Chrome, but you can choose whatever you like or what is more preferable for you. You just have to simply tap on the icon of the browser and it will open. Once a browser get open, you will see its interface. Here we have three dots. You have to click on it and then few options will pop up. From these options, you have to select this first option, which is settings. Once you tap on it, the settings of browser will open. There you will see many options. Every option here is different from each other and performs its own task in the app. So from all these options, we have an option in front of our eyes which says search engine. If you click on this option, you will be easily able to change your default search engine. Right now, as you can see, the Google has been selected, but here we have other four options. Here you have to keep in mind that your options could be different based on what you have installed in your iPhone. Right now, these things are installed in my iPhone, therefore I am getting these options. But you have another options like you have installed other apps, so you will might have those options as well. So that's how you can change the default search engine of your iPhone. You don't have to go to any other option, you just have to simply open your browser and then click on these three dots and then click on settings. Once you get into settings, you have to click on search engine and there you can choose any kind of search engine of your choice and it will be selected. After that, you just have to simply click on done and for future searches, it will use your selected choice. So that's how you can change your default search engine in your iPhone. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change the default search engine in your iPhone. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And at the last, thank you for watching the video.